Hi and welcome to Nickwell Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is a Pilote 740 FC Evidence. Now it's just shy of 7.5 metres, it's 3.5 tonnes, so you can drive it on your standard driving licence. It's a lovely van, and as you can see as we look around it, it's on a Fiat Ducato base, nice set of Fiat alloys. They make the most of the sills, so you've got this sill locker just here, this is just fantastic storage, because if you've got toilet chemicals, electric cables, levelling chocks, that sort of thing, it's perfect. You don't have to put it in your main areas, keep your dirty bits and pieces separate. Nice use of space. Flue for your heating. Gas locker just here. Electric hookup. Garage, you've got access both sides and it's a good size. So as you can see, you've got your awning brace in there as well. All those cushions, I'll explain what they're for in a second and when we go inside. So as we go around, you can see we've got the reversing camera up the top. And again, access from the other side. Now you can also see we've got a 230 volt in there and it's heated in the garage as well. So again, it's got everything you need. We've also, of course, got a solar panel on the roof. We have an awning light, your water fill, cassette toilet. It's got the toys. What's it got inside? Well, let's go and have a look. So the cab's pretty much what you expect from Fiat and Pilote. We've got a nice size media centre just there. As we said, we've got the reversing camera. It's the 9-speed auto. You've got full cab lines running through, 2 large cup holders, which will make you a nice big cup of coffee. You get a big Costa in there. Cab air conditioning, we've got traction plus, we've got hill descents. Yeah, it's got everything you'd want. Upholstery is lovely. It's exceptionally comfortable, it's hard wearing, and it really does look the part. Now, this vehicle, you would think, looking at it, is a 2-berth, 2-travel. Well, you'd be wrong, because it's a 4-berth, 4-travel. And the reason for that is they've been very clever with the layout. So we've got these 2 big bench seats either side, which is a lot more comfortable than having a half dinette. But we've got 2 extra travel seats hidden. One here and one here. I'll show you this one very quickly. So we just take these cushions off. That just pops up against the wall. That slides round. Now you've got your seat belt here, and if I just show you underneath, your stem just comes through the side there. There's your travel seat. So it is very, very easy to make up. Like I say, you've got another one on the other side. So there are your 4 travelling seats, but when you get to wherever you go, and the great thing is you make it back up into the 2 side benches and you've got a lot more living space. So it's a lot more comfortable and you're not having to climb round each other because you've got a half dinette in the way. Now, the other thing, of course, is you're probably thinking, well, that's fine, but where do I sleep the extra people? Hence the reason for the cushions in the back. Now, this table, apart from the fact that you can move it pretty much wherever you want to, and if you're dining, you can actually make it up into a double table. So again, it gives you a lot more space. It also becomes the base of your bed. So if I get you to look there, Mia, we've got a handle just there. Now that's to lock the table in place. And at the moment, we just want to push it down. Then we lock it, like so. Pull the extender out, that piece pops over. So I'm just going to go and get the cushions out of the garage. So here we are, we've got 2 extra cushions. Now, this one you'll notice you've got the legs on, because this one makes the bed slightly longer. So that just slides into place like that. That one, it's hard backed as well. Slots in there. There you go, you've got your extra double bed. So it is a genuine 4-berth, 4-travel seat. And as you can see, it's very, very quick and very, very easy to do. So I'm just going to pop these 2 back in the garage out the way. Fold that up. Now the other thing, of course, is you've got these storage lockers, which literally are right the way across, little catches just underneath. Got another one there, another one over on this side. There you go, plenty of storage. And then we come to the kitchen. Now with the kitchen, you can see you've got a couple of USBs there. We've got a 12 volt, we've got a 230, 3 gas hobs, sink and mixer tap, oven grill underneath. Again, it's a good size. Cutlery drawer just there with your gas isolators just above. And again, a deeper one just here. Over on this side, this is nice because you've got your separate fridge just here. And freezer compartment. And it is a 3-way with an auto. So again, it will pick up the best option for you. This is something you don't usually see in a Continentals motorhome, a microwave. It's Truma heated, which is just up here, and it is gas and electric. So again, gas if you're wild camping, if you're plugged in on site, you'd run it on the electric. The other thing with this, which is again a great use of the space, is you've got a genuine jack into your bathroom that runs across. So obviously this door we can shut off, but we've also got this blind. So once you've pulled this one across, the beauty of it being is if you've got an extra couple in the front and you've gone to bed, they don't have to come into your bedroom to use the facilities. You don't have to go into theirs. You can even use it as a changing room because once you shut this door across, it just runs right over. It's a great use of space. So I'm going to ask Mia to pop in here so she can give you a good view of the toilet. Just down there, and you've got storage in there as well, and of course you've got the separate shower on the other side. Now, the bedroom itself, you've got this lovely big island bed, and this lifts up. So again, you've got good storage underneath. You've also got 2 good sized wardrobes either side. You've got your reading lights. You've got these lovely big Pioneer speakers. More storage just above. Just down here again, you've got double USB, you've got a 230 volt, loads of space on there to charge up your phones, have a cup of coffee of a morning, and you can even sit up in this bed because the garage is sort of a half size, so it's not huge, so you can't sit up, but it's big enough to get 99% of the things you're ever going to want to get in there. And there we have it, the P740. Really hope you've enjoyed the video. If you want to come and see it in the flesh, give us a shout and come and have a look because it really is worth a view. And thank you for watching.